Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix the Roblox Error Code 403 so you can get back to gaming without any interruptions. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will check your internet connection and ensure that it is stable. And next, you will clear your browser cache if browsing Roblox via browser. So go to your browser settings and then you will click your settings or delete your browsing data. So it really depends on you. And after you've ensured that you're cleared your browsing data or your cache and cookies, you will just have to log out and log back into Roblox. And then you will disable browser extensions that might interfere with Roblox. And for your mobile, you can just uninstall and reinstall your Roblox. And if this error persists, you will have to check Roblox server status at status.roblox.com. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.